at balitaan. Oras muna alas 8:50 na po ng gabi sa ating namang ikalawang bahagi ng ating programa. Uy, kasama ho natin na isang judge, ha? Nako, kailangan behave tayo ngayon. Joke lang. Nako, palakpakan muna natin ating bisita. Nasusukong ating bisita ngayon, ha? Si Judge Tarcelo A. Sabare Jr. Judge Tarcelo, magandang gabi po sa inyo. Baka nakamute si Judge. Judge, baka po nakamute po kayo. Magandang gabi po sa inyo.
Good evening, Wes. Good evening to your listeners.
Yes, Judge. How are you? Kamusta po kayo?
I am very good. I'm very fine, but tired because of a day's work.
Oh, I see. But still, you still look fabulous, still look intelligent, and nako balita po namin, Judge, kayo po talagang, syempre sabi naman natin, di ba, pagka mga judge talagang mataas ang ating pagkilala. Talaga namang, ay, ang ganda po ng inyong suot, ha, Judge, ha?
Thank you. Thank you.
Ano po ang nickname ninyo, Judge? Do you want me to call you Judge?
You can call me June.
Ayun, June. Judge June. Tama po ba?
Yes.
Yo. Judge June, what makes you busy right now? Ano po ang mga medyo pinagkakabalahan po ninyo?
Yeah, I have a lot of cases to hear every day, and I'm also teaching in the evening in the College of Law.
Wow, that's nice. Do you still have enough time to manage your personal life as well aside from your professional career, Judge June?
Yes, with matter of the scheduling, time management, definitely I have, of course.
Wow. Judge June, nung kayo po ba, Judge June, nang bata pa kayo, talagang you really dreamed of becoming a judge, a lawyer talaga po?
Yeah, I really dreamed of becoming a lawyer. It was also my parents' dream too, which.
Oh, that's nice. And how does it feel na fulfill niyo po yung pangarap niyo na yan at maging pangarap ng inyong mga magulang? And now, hindi niyo lang po basta naabot yung pangarap. You are also teaching law doon sa mga future lawyers din po natin.
Yes, I am teaching. I love teaching too, Wedge. I've been teaching for more than 30 years already.
Oh, nice. And how was it, sir? How's the experience? Of course, you've handled different types of students. Merong magagaling, may hindi magagaling, but all of them are dreaming to become a future lawyer.
Yes. Actually, teaching is not financially rewarding, but for students will become lawyers. And that's definitely one thing that we as teachers should be proud of.
And how do you inspire your students, Judge June? Of course, kasi itong mga professionals na rin po itong mga ito, almost colleagues na rin po di po ba?
Are professionals, some are already working, some are full-time students. Yeah, by making myself as a role model to them, I told them that I really work hard to be where I am now.
Oh.
I want them to be like me. I encourage them to achieve what I have achieved too. Which?
Yeah, that's nice. You know, that's very important, Judge June, to inspire and motivate your students because, studying law is not that easy, right, Judge June?
It's not easy. The hardest examinations in the Philippines, which for me, is the bar examinations.
Recently, we just concluded the 2025 bar exams.
Yeah. Concluded.
And may mga estudyante po ba kayo nag-take recently nitong bar exam?
Many of our students took the bar examinations. About 80 to 100 of them took the bar exam.
Wow!
Amazing.
Wow! And that's so nice to hear, Judge. Of course, we are all waiting for the results of the bar examinations. And how does it feel, Judge June, na kayo po ay ginamit na instrumento, kasangkapan, para mahubog yung kanilang galing at husay bilang mga future lawyers?
I feel privileged. I feel privileged, which I feel very, very proud that at least one of these days, they would be able to achieve their dream of becoming lawyers. And I am one of the instruments to achieve their dream.
That's so nice to hear, Judge June. And aside from teaching, you mentioned that you are also very busy right now handling different types of cases. Nasaan po kayo ngayong mga courts, Judge June?
For this year, I am only handling one court.
Mhm.
That's the Regional Trial Court, Branch 30, Basay, Samar.
Mhm.
Last year, I was handling two courts, actually.
Wow!
Is I am handling only one court,
Aha.
and that's what I said, the Regional Trial Court, Branch 30, Basay, Samar.
Oh, okay. Pero ikaw ba, Judge June, may makukwento ka ba sa amin ng mga unforgettable experiences niyo po being a judge?
Wala naman.
Opo.
Well, for me, hearing cases, deciding cases,
Mhm.
resolving motions have been part of my life as a judge.
Mhm. You know, Judge June, hindi pangkaraniwan na hindi naman madalas, hindi pangkaraniwan na nakakapanayam natin ang mga judge po na kagaya ninyo. Ito po isang karangalan na makasama namin kayo, Judge June. Pero kayo po ba bilang isang judge, hindi po ba mahirap you digest different cases? Paano po ang ginagawa po ninyo?
Actually, it is very difficult to become a judge.
Mhm.
As they say, we always constantly read, and study.
Hmm.
We have to abreast ourselves with recent developments in law
Mhm.
and recent decisions of the Honorable Supreme Court, so that when we decide the cases, we decide that based on the law applicable and based on the evidence presented.
Hmm.
So meaning a judge should really be conscientious of everything,
Hmm.
conscientious of what current developments in law is concerned, recent decisions of the Honorable Supreme Court. We have to continually study and study and study. There's no end to it.
That's so nice to hear, Judge June. And of course, you have to maintain a good name and reputation. You are unbiased with all these cases. You must always be fair, right, Judge June?
Yeah, we should be fair. We should be impartial.
Mhm. And how was it after your trial? Paano po ang pakiramdam na parang nakakahinga po ba ng maluwag pagka nakatapos ng isang mga case? Paano po ang pakiramdam, Judge June?
Definitely. At least we can relieve. We can sign there, and at least we can say, oh, at least one case is already over. But like what I said, it's not the end of it, because we have to decide on that case.
That's correct. No? And I heard, Judge June, that you will be receiving a future award. Is that true? And congratulations, Judge June.
Thanks. That will be on September 30, 2025. If I'm mistaken, I was awarded the most outstanding judge of the year.
Wow! And I saw you got a billboard also from, you got a billboard in EDSA. Wow, totoo po ba?
I am really proud of that. It's everyone's dream to have a billboard in EDSA. I'm really happy that I was able to achieve it. Thank God for that.
Wow, that's so nice. And you know what, Judge June, we're really praying and really hoping that someday we will see you as a associate justice na po ba?
Yeah, I would say that would be destiny, which.
Yeah, nako.
That's will.
Yes, it's really God's will. Nako, we're so proud of you, Judge June, and we believe na talagang kayo po ay napakahusay at napakagaling sa inyo pong larangan. Being a judge is not easy, and di ba sabi nga nila, Judge June, nako, tao rin po ang mga judges natin, mga justices.
Pero, Reg, as long as you do your work,
correct.
You are not corrupt.
Correct.
You are fair and impartial. Nothing. No problem with that.
Correct. Nako, I'm very sure your family and relatives are very proud of you, Judge June. And are they also supportive of you, Judge June? And how supportive are you as well to your family members?
Yeah, 100%.
Oh.
They inspire me to do what I am doing now. They are inspiration in life, of course.
Wow. Sobrang nakakahanga ang inyong kwento, Judge June. Napakadami niyo pong success story and I do believe that mas mataas pa po ang mararating ninyo. Naku, sana mapasyalan po namin kayo someday and I hope we will see each other in September 30, Judge June.
Yeah, I hope to see you with September 30. I hope to see you there.
Yes, nako, Judge June. Nako, baka po may gusto kayong batiin, Judge June. Go ahead, the floor is yours.
Yeah. I'd like to thank you, Wids, and thank you too for your listeners, and of course the Philippine Finest Business Awards for giving me the award on September 30. Thank you so much.
Wow. Oh, Judge June, do you have a social media account, Judge June?
June Star. June Star.
Wow, oh, di ba? Nakakatuwa, even a judge, meron din sila mga Facebook account kasi syempre, di ba?
Of course, we are allowed to have social media accounts.
Yun.
We're limited when it comes to posts.
Yes, correct.
Comments, definitely.
Yeah. Naku, nakakatuwa. We're so lucky. Nakilala po namin kayo, Judge June. And ako karangalan po namin ito nakasama ko kahit via Zoom lamang po.
Me too. But Wes, I would like to inform your listeners that my award on September 30 is my 27th award so far. Outstanding that.
Wow! Ay, nako, saludo kami talaga sa inyo, Judge June. Kayo po'y kahanga-hanga. Talaga naman. At talagang kayo po'y modelo, ehemplo ng tagumpay. Nako, sobrang proud kami sa iyo, Judge June.
Thank you.
Thank you. Nako, ang bilis ng oras natin, Judge June. Salamat po sa oras at sa pagkakataon. Kahit na paano.
Thank you too.
Yes,
thank
sir.
You too. I hope to see you on September 30.
Yes,
and
sir.
Talk to you personally.
Yeah. We'll take a photo together, Judge June. Thank you very much for this time.
Thank you so much again for the invitation.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much and have a good night. God bless you, sir. We'll see each other soon. Ingat po kayo.
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye. Thank you, Judge Jude. Salamat. Ingat pa. Bye-bye po. Nakapanayan po natin ay si Judge Tarcelo A. Sabare Jr. Talagang nakakatuwa ang kwento ng kanyang tagumpay. Oras muna natin, 3 minuto makalipas ang ika-siyam ng gabi. Sa ating pagbabalik, mga balita muna hatid ng ating mga Radyo Agila correspondents. At sa ikatlong bahagi ng ating programa, makakasama naman natin ang isang coffee shop owner. Oy, sandali lamang. Magbabalita muna tayo. Huwag kayong bibitiw. Magbabalik pa ang What's a Minute, katuhan at balitaan.